good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video where Ferrari had a little debut today, and they teased us with a little spy shot and said that it was coming today, and here it is. The Ferrari SF90 Stradale 2020, all right? This is Ferrari's most powerful car ever at 986 horsepower in an all-wheel drive hybrid system. This is everything you need to know about the 2020 Ferrari SF90 Stradale. Now, named after the company's Formula One car, the SF90 Stradale is Ferrari's brand new plug-in hybrid boasting a turbocharged V8, 3 electric motors, and nearly 1,000 horsepower. What's new about this is, well, it's Ferrari's most powerful production car ever made, and it doesn't involve a V12. Now, mounted in the middle instead is a 769 horsepower, 4-liter turbocharged V8 engine, the most powerful 8-cylinder in Ferrari history, hooked up to an 8-speed dual-clutch gearbox. Picking up the slack are 3 electric motors, 1 in the back and 1 dedicated to each front wheel. That is a combined output of 986 horsepower, 0 to 62 in 2.5 seconds, and a top speed of 211 miles per hour. Now, Ferrari says this hybrid system takes up 595 pounds of the Stradale's 3,561 pound curb weight. In addition to being the first plug-in hybrid Ferrari, it's also the first Ferrari sports car to come with 4-wheel drive. Yeah, the FF and GTC4 Lusso power all 4 wheels, but they ain't Ferrari sports cars. You know what I mean? The lucky few who will find themselves climbing into the Stradale's bodywork and behind its touchpad-equipped steering wheel will be greeted with an entirely digital instrument cluster courtesy of a 16-inch curved HD screen. It's apparently the first of its kind to be found in a car, beating BMW to the curved gauges punch. It isn't all Prius power, iPad gauges, and Ridge Racer styling. As a nice nod to Ferraris of the past, the SF90's automatic gear selector resembles the H-shaped gate of a manual shifter. Now, we've been told that Ferrari engineers were able to further broaden the spectrum of the dynamic controls by introducing the full electric front axle. Now, as well as exclusively providing propulsion in the electric drive, the 2 front motors independently control the torque delivered to the 2 wheels. Now, despite being more powerful than the LaFerrari, the SF90 Stradale is not a direct successor. It actually slots in between the F8 Tribito and where the LaFerrari sequel would sit, meaning an even more extreme Ferrari could be coming sooner rather than later. The Stradale can be driven in 4 drivetrain modes: eDrive, Hybrid, Performance, and Qualify. In the electric-only eDrive mode, the SF90's V8 and rear electric motor shuts off, essentially rendering the car a front-wheel drive EV. It has an electric-only range of 15.5 miles, which is not long at all. The hybrid mode, meanwhile, is what the car starts up in and defaults to. Like its name suggests, all 3 electric motors and the fuel-powered engine work in tandem, maintaining a high level of both efficiency and performance. Stick to Stradale in performance, and the V8 is always on for more go-fast, happy fun times. Now, the cheekily named Qualify mode, meanwhile, throws in any and all pretenses of fuel economy out the window and puts all of the car's motors, electric or otherwise, in maximum attack position. Those actually looking to purchase an SF90 Stradale can get the car as standard or in something Ferrari calls Assetto Friano spec. The equipment package that comes with Multimatic suspension, 66 pounds less weight, thanks to various carbon fiber and titanium parts, and a carbon fiber rear spoiler with Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires. So let me know, what do you guys think about the 2020 Ferrari SF90 Stradale? Overall, the car looks great. The rear is going to take some getting used to. I don't think I'm a biggest fan of the rear of this car. I don't think it really shows Ferrari design cues like it should. Ferrari's being the top automotive brand in the world and the most beautiful cars in the world, or one of the most beautiful cars in the world. It is one of those cars that doesn't really fit Ferrari's name or spec to me as far as design from the engine back. But that is very subjective. That is my opinion. That is what I do not like about this car. Other than that, everything else looks gorgeous. I mean, I think that they did a really good job with most of it, and with the performance. I mean, it's the first hybrid Ferrari. It has so much behind it, 900 horsepower. I mean, this is just an attack machine. It is a performance machine. It is something that's going to be very sought after, but I wish it looked better. But you guys, you tell me what you think. Let me know down in the comments below. Now, if you guys enjoyed this video or found it informative, definitely give this video a thumbs up and a like. Helps support the channel, gets it up in the rankings so more of us can have this conversation. Also, check the links below if you want to donate to the Patreon or the one-time donation through PayPal. You can do $1, $2, doesn't matter. Thank you so much for any kind of donation. Also, check the links below for my social media, see the memes and videos I'm posting, and click for more notifications if you subscribe to Ron's Rides, and click that notification bell to get Ron's Rides videos right in your inbox. Thank you so much, guys, for spending your time with me today. I appreciate you. We'll talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rides video. Be good. Peace.